How do you grow a YouTube channel without doing very much work? That is a question everyone wants to know, right? You don't want to have to work so hard to get people to subscribe to your channel, to watch your videos. So I'm going to share something that I've been doing the last couple of weeks. I have not posted a new video the last couple of weeks, and I'm still growing subscribers and people are still watching my videos. So I want to share why community is so important, why building a community with your YouTube subscribers is so important. So because of computer issues, I was not able to record videos. I upgraded my computer. Now I have a stronger computer and I'm really excited about that because I won't have that struggle. So I wasn't really able to record my videos, any videos the last couple weeks. And so instead, I decided to put all my energy, all the energy I had into my community called the Next Level Creator Hub. And if you'd like to join, just, you can get the link in the description. But this community is on a platform called Skool, and Skool itself is its own machine. It's got its own people there, its own culture there. It's nothing like Facebook. So if you are sick of Facebook and you are sick of communities like on Facebook, then you will want to join Skool because there's so many different creators making environments for people that are not toxic, and there is no algorithm, so the posts you see, it's just like it used to be in the old days when actually Facebook started, where you scrolled and you could get to the end of content, and also it is in that method of like the last post that gets interaction gets bumped up to the top, so it's like that bump post, like it gets bumped up to the top. So it's very simple, and I love it. And I've been able to grow my community. I don't have the numbers with me right now, but I'll put it on the screen. I have been able to grow my community in the last 2 weeks. I started off somewhere around 33, I think, 33 members, and now I have 62. As of today, I have 62 members. This community is so wonderful. The people there are just really interested in growing their channel. And what I realized through this whole thing of having my own community is that I actually have a lot of knowledge when it comes to building community. And I know how much effort it takes, and I know how much organization it takes. I know what to do. And I was doing this on my Facebook communities over the years, but I realized Facebook was got to the point where it was fighting against me, basically. It was not allowing me to get to the members that had joined my community, and it's a very distracting platform. So people were, not coming, were coming there for one reason and getting caught up for other reasons and not being able to interact with my communities there. Um, and it's also just like the algorithm, is constantly putting things in front of us, and it's not anybody's fault really. It's just like the platform. And so that was a frustration with Facebook, and also the fact that they weren't being notified when I'd post, or it's just been getting really hard to build on Facebook. So I was looking for another platform, and Skool happened to be one that came about. They just reduced their price so that they have a hobby plan that's only $9 a month. So I thought, what the heck? Why don't I just try that? So I tried that, and it's been wonderful. And I've been able to grow my community. Been able to, now that I have a computer that works, I can use now I can create content specifically for my community. And that's the main thing I want to share here, is that when you have a community, you don't have to have that guesswork anymore. There's no more guesswork. There is specific videos you are making for your members. And I have so many ideas now because of the conversations that have been happening, the questions that I've been getting inside of my community, inside of the Next Level Creator Hub. And it's just a wonderful way to approach YouTube content, because you start like it If you don't want to start your own community, you just can do this around your own YouTube channel. But if you want to start a community off of YouTube and get people interacting and all the things that I've been saying, like getting the content from them, by listening really closely, it's really great to start your community alongside your YouTube channel. And yeah, so I've been creating content on different platforms for a long time. In Facebook, I've been building Facebook communities as well. And my whole point of that is getting back to what I was saying. I've been building communities for a long time, and I know what it takes. I know what it takes. So I have created actually a really cool course that have people are already enjoying. It is called the Community Advantage School for YouTube, and it is to teach you how to use YouTube and Skool community. You can learn, you can apply these principles if you have another type of community, but it's really meant for Skool. And so I've used the house party metaphor throughout this course. And right now, the founding members are getting a killer deal. So go ahead and join if you want to get that killer deal now. So the house party theme is that you're inviting people into your home to have a house party. And how are you setting things up? Do you have a good foundation? Is your house even inviting? So you first want to make your house inviting. You want to build the walls, your community, you want to build the foundation, you want to build the walls, you want to build your safety features, you want to build all of the things to create a nice space for the people to come to. And then you're gonna start your party, and you're gonna have all of the people come in, and you want to make sure that everything is the way it needs to be in order for you to have growth. And the way YouTube works, how this YouTube fits into this picture, that it is a megaphone. It is the megaphone that gets people into your community, right? So it is you creating content. You will be attracting the right people into your community if you use your community and the people that are in there already to create content. So then your videos are attracting the people that are the type of people that are already in there. You see how this works? So this is how I leverage time. This is how I leverage my energy. I don't work really hard to get views. I don't work really hard to get subscribers. I work really hard to have a really solid community. And they will be your cheerleaders. They will be your feedback. You'll be able to get feedback from them. And so if you want to know more about that, I'll share the link like I mentioned before. But yeah, I'm excited to get started, to get back to creating content. I'll have more entertaining or better looking content later, but I just thought I'd get my first video out from my break and be done with it. So I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I will hopefully see you inside of my community called the Next Level Creator Hub.